Then Sanu showed me that.
Yeah. Okay. Right. Basically, when switch on the old light, in reverse light, it's not a fault. Have a look your manual. You can find out. Welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie from Sanumotors. Today I got a VW Polo 2011 model. This is a little bit common question for everyone. This customer turned up. This is not a first car, and hopefully this is not a last car. But he turned up and told me, can you explain what happened?
Well, that indicator it says that there is a problem with the light, and when I told my girlfriend to check it out, and she told me that this light is kind of missing, but then Sanu showed me that.
Yeah. Okay. Right. Basically, when you put it to the reverse gear, he have a problem. He said this side light working and this one not working. I'm going to show you what's going on there. First, put it to the reverse gear. Just reverse gear. No need to start the car. Just reverse gear. Right. Just ignition on. No need to start. Just ignition on. It's ignition on. Come out now. You can see clearly this is his question. Yeah. This side working. That's one not working. He asked me to change the bulb, but I explained him some vehicles has a both side reverse light, but this vehicle, especially VW, most cars has a one side reverse light, and I'll show you what happened to the this side light. This side we are calling rear fog light. Now I'm going to switch on the old light and pull this button. You can see this is rear fog light. Then once I activate the rear fog light, you can see here, this is rear fog light, this is reverse light. If you see one side working reverse light, it's not a fault. Have a look your manual, you can find out. You have a both side reverse light or one side. Basically this car has a one side reverse bulb and one side rear fog light. Now you know what's going on here. Follow this video. If you have a like this problem, it's not a problem. Basically many people think in the both side need to be same way, but not for the reverse, not for the fog light. Sometimes you can ask why my fog light working one side, but this is the design for VWs. If you have a like this problem, this is not a problem. You know what's going on here. Thank you. Please subscribe and follow my channels. You can get lot of useful video and tips like this.